Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a kind of beauty review slash tutorial on my new hair. So I got some Zala hair extensions, I got a halo, and it's been hyped up ever since, you know, I feel like I see it everywhere since I bought it, and I thought I would do just a quick review on it because I'm kind of obsessed with it. So Zala hair is a premium hair extensions guy, 100% real human hair. It comes in this beautiful box right here, and I do have them in right now, and I'm going to show you how I style them. So I got the honey blonde, and I think it's kind of a perfect match, honestly. I did have to tone it a little bit just because my purple shampoo tends to turn my ends white, but I am kind of a naturally brassy honey blonde. So, and I think this is just my new favorite beauty hack, just to get that long, gorgeous, full, thick hair that everybody wants. But when you see somebody on Instagram, 9 times out of 10, they have hair extensions in. So I'm happy to be able to join the club. So like for real, 5 out of 5 stars for me. I love Zala hair. So I'm going to show you how I use this to style my hair. Alright guys, to start this hair tutorial and this review, first, in order to style my Zala halo, I need to kind of prep my hair and then prep the halo. So we're going to start off by curling my hair just all the way around. I'm just using a 1.5 inch barrel and just going to kind of loosely curl it. And this is by True Beauty. Okay, hair is curled. Just gonna shake that out a little bit. And I already have pretty long hair, so really what I wanted to achieve with my Zala hair halo is just giving it more, you know, volume and thickness, and, you know, keep the curls there. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna prep my hair with some dry shampoo, just kind of give it some texture. Then I'm gonna shake it into the roots. And I'm just using the Dove. I'm just giving it some volume and texture. Okay, now to finish prepping my hair for the Zala extensions, you gotta tease a little bit and give it some more grit. I'm just teasing up the front part of my hair and then the back part as well. Just in little bitty sections, just with a regular Sally 99-cent teasing comb. Then when you get to the crown and the back, tease and then spread it. And just like not putting the comb in, you're just kind of spreading it out. Just kind of grazing it like this. You're not doing this. Show you up here. Just to kind of smooth it out. And I can be pretty rough with my hair and it won't lose the curl, so. Okay. Prepped. All right, now for our extensions. Okay, so I got, as I said, I have the Zala hair, and it comes in this nice pretty box. It comes with like a hair premium extensions care kit, like Revive Me, Froth You, and then it's got a conditioner and shampoo. So this is what they look like. As you can see, it's quite a good match for me. I will say when I opened it, I did have to tone it just because with my purple shampoo, my ends can get kind of white. But I am a very natural kind of honey blonde. So I'm gonna brush these out. It is nice and thick. compared to, I think it's 160 grams of hair. So it's a lot of hair. 16 inches. The reason I chose the 16 inches is just because I'm 5'4", and I feel like the 20 inches would make me feel shorter and kind of overpower me a little bit. So that's why I chose those. And like I said, Zala has a 60-day return policy, which is incredible for hair. I'm just kind of combing these out. They are still kind of, I've worn these probably about 5 or 6 times, and I've only had to curl them once. So I'm gonna re-curl them today, and I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of do that. So I brushed them out, and I'm just gonna take one section, and I'm just gonna start curling, and I'm gonna rotate which way I curl with the barrel. And just kind of prep the hair just to match. It's easier to curl them when they are not in your hair, and you can just go ahead and style them, put them in, and then put them back in the box, or put them in. Just like that. I'm gonna do 1-inch sections all around the hair. I'm just kind of rotating the direction. What I normally do is when I curl these is I'll hang them on my, like my towel rack in my bathroom, just because it's easier. Okay, all you need is a clip and a little comb. I'm gonna turn to the side so y'all can see. Okay, so I start at the crown of my head, and I kind of do it a few inches away from my forehead. So start in the middle, kind of 3/4 of your crown. And I'm gonna kind of make a little half up, half down, all the way down to the bottom of my head. Leaving hair out around the ears. Kind of make a little ponytail or a little clip, little bun. And then I'm just gonna use a little clip and clip that up. So this is how it should look in the front. You still have some hair in your face. You have a definite line. You have a definite like track where the halo can go for your hair. And then I kind of like to do it right here at the bottom of my neck, at the nape of my neck. But it's just preference really. Okay, so taking my halo, there's a little clear elastic here. I'm just gonna kind of like a little cape. These do have clips in it, so it can be a little tricky. Okay, so I just kind of wiggle that fishing line, that little wire, right where my crown starts. And I kind of just wiggle around with it, because you kind of want where it stops to be right where your ears are, right here. This is how it looks in the back. Okay, now that is in. Okay, we take down the clip. Okay, so now we got some rough edges right here, and it needs some blending. So that's when I just take my wet brush and I kind of just brush through it very gently. You kind of brush the hair forward, get any hair that's caught in order to blend that wire. Kind of play with it, and then once I got it where I want it, I just clip the little clips in the back. You just brush it forward so you can't see it and you can't see the wire. Make sure you fill in the back. Make sure you can't see any lines or anything. Okay. Then once you feel around for all the lines, here we go. All this gorgeous, gorgeous thick hair. And I think the color matches pretty perfectly for me. When I did get it, I did have to cut it, so it did kind of blend better with my layers. So I did kind of cut some layers over here in the sides, and I did cut some layers in the back. but I'm kind of obsessed with this, and it kind of makes me feel like I have mermaid hair, and who doesn't want mermaid hair? So highly recommend. It's really nice hair. It just feels so nice, and I just know it's gonna last me a few years. So thumbs up from me from Zala Hair. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe, and I'll have some more beauty tutorials, thoughts, like coming your way pretty soon. So bye guys.